And we are here in my garage. I'm just kind of shooting a little video here to show you guys kind of how I did Deerezilla here. It's not really Deerezilla right now with the normal wheels on, but as you can see, it's not gonna fit in my garage, so it's like this. And it's storming out here. It's like pretty bad. It's pretty gross day. There's the wheel spacers there that I use, but enough about that. First attempt when I took it out, the ears for the lower control arms here, those split apart, and only got about like 2 minutes worth of footage, which is great. Whole day wasted there. So I'm gonna turn on the light here. I'm gonna pull the wheel off here in a second, but maybe I can go in here and you can see here I had to fab up and re-weld back on those ears, because those ears right there just ripped right off. I had to fab that up. So I'm just gonna kind of take everything apart here and put the wheels on, because we're going out filming tomorrow to shoot Deerezilla out at Stave Lake, and gonna hopefully gonna swamp her. Yeah, she's a pretty mint. I gotta clean out this. I like opened this and I was like, oh, I'm like, what's this white stuff? The fluffy stuff. It's like mold. That's gross. Still got sun chips. Those are still probably pretty mint. All right, let's get the wheels off here. For those of you who have wondered how I attached the 37s onto Deerezilla, well, I made up these. So it's not rocket science here. Take one plate, drill out the same bolt pattern as the quad, and then I cut out the round tube to about 1 foot, and then get another plate. And what I did here is I just tack welded on the studs on behind for the rims, and I put some extra supports. Not rocket science at all. This one, I don't know what the hell's on that one, but yeah, did all 4 of those, made those up myself, pretty easy. Next important thing, I have to pull off these wheels, and I'll show you what else you'll need to attach on 37s. So you want to get that ace up high in the sky. So you also want to go out, and I've got these off Amazon, is you want to get 2-inch wheel spacers, because you got to clear this nut for the design that I did. Here we can get a better shot where I did the repairs. Tires out of the way now. Way better shot. And yeah, let's bolt her up. Make sure you're going to use the acorn nuts, because that instead of the wheel, then you don't get this wobble. And there you have it, all 4 tires mounted up in the lovely weather I'm having out here. Windy, gross. If you guys build your own, tag me in it, send it to me. I want to see if there's gonna be someone else out there who's gonna put maybe even bigger tires on their quad and do something like that. If you guys haven't already, go and watch the Deerezilla video of it doing tank trap, and if not, you can go check out my truck and dually deer and whatnot. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.